Welcome to the business benefits of SAP Business Technology Platform. Today we'll explore why organizations choose SAP BTP. This means understanding the key advantages it offers. For example, a retail company uses it to quickly integrate online and in-store systems, boosting sales and customer satisfaction. This session will show you how such benefits drive strategic decisions. You'll learn 3 to 5 key business benefits. This means we'll cover the most important ways BTP creates value, such as speeding up innovation and cutting costs. For example, a retailer could quickly build a mobile app to boost customer loyalty. Understanding these advantages will help you see BTP's strategic impact. We'll see how BTP drives innovation and saves costs. This means using cloud services to build new solutions faster while reducing IT expenses. For example, a company could quickly develop a mobile app for field service teams instead of buying costly software. This dual advantage makes your business more agile and financially efficient. This helps you understand strategic decisions in your company. It means BTP gives you clear insights into why leaders choose certain business directions. For example, if launching a new product line, BTP data can show market trends and operational costs, clarifying that strategic choice. With this understanding, you can better align your work with the company's goals and contribute more effectively. Build applications faster with SAP Business Technology Platform. Create new apps quickly without starting from scratch. This means you use pre-built tools and services instead of coding everything manually. For example, a retail company could assemble a customer loyalty app using ready-made components for user profiles and promotions. This accelerates development so you can focus on unique business needs. Use pre-built services and templates. This means you can leverage existing, ready-to-use components instead of building everything from scratch. For instance, quickly create a mobile app for field technicians using a pre-built template for service orders. This accelerates development, letting you focus on customizing solutions to meet specific business needs. Develop once, deploy anywhere. This means you write your application code one time and can run it on various cloud platforms or devices without changes. For instance, a customer service app built on SAP BTP can run seamlessly on both web browsers and mobile phones. This significantly accelerates your development and deployment cycles. Get to market faster with your solutions. This means using pre-built tools and services to develop applications in less time. For example, a retail company can quickly create a mobile app for inventory tracking using BTP's ready-made components. This accelerated development cycle directly enhances your competitive advantage. How faster development works. Access ready-to-use business services. This means you can integrate pre-built SAP solutions, like finance or HR tools, directly into your applications without developing them from scratch. For instance, quickly add SAP's identity authentication to your app for secure logins. This accelerates development by leveraging existing, reliable services. Use low-code tools for simple apps. This means you build applications by dragging and dropping visual components instead of writing complex code. For example, Create a basic employee directory app where users can search and view contact details. This approach dramatically speeds up the entire development process. Connect existing SAP systems easily. This means BTP provides pre-built connectors so your new apps can securely access data and processes from your current SAP solutions like S/4HANA without complex custom coding. For example, a new mobile app can instantly pull customer data from your SAP CRM. This seamless integration significantly accelerates your development timeline. Test and deploy with fewer steps. This means BTP automates manual processes, reducing the effort to release updates. For instance, a developer can push code to a repository, and BTP automatically runs tests and deploys it live without manual intervention. This streamlined approach accelerates your development cycle significantly. Benefit 2. Significantly reduce infrastructure costs. Pay only for what you use. This means your costs directly match your actual consumption, avoiding wasted spending on idle capacity. For example, a payroll application only incurs costs during active processing periods, not while idle. This consumption-based model ensures infrastructure expenses are always aligned with real business activity. No need to buy expensive servers. This means you don't have to purchase or maintain physical hardware. For example, a small company can run their business applications directly on SAP BTP without investing in their own server room. This approach eliminates large upfront capital expenses for computing equipment. Scale up or down as needed. This means you only pay for the computing power and resources you actually use, avoiding wasted costs on idle capacity. For example, an online retailer can automatically increase server capacity during a holiday sale and reduce it afterward. This elasticity ensures you are always cost-effectively aligned with your business demands. Reduce maintenance and hardware costs. This means you use SAP's cloud platform instead of buying and running your own servers. For example, a company can stop managing its own database servers and use SAP HANA Cloud, paying only for what it uses. This directly lowers your IT expenses and frees up your team. Witness tangible cost savings in action. Open BTP Cockpit. This is your central dashboard to monitor and manage all SAP BTP services and applications. For example, a developer can log in to instantly see their current resource usage and identify any underutilized services to decommission. Using this cockpit is the first step to actively controlling your cloud spend. Navigate to subscription details. This means accessing the specific page in your SAP BTP cockpit that shows all the information about your service plan. For example, if you subscribe to the SAP HANA Cloud service, you go here to review your usage and associated costs. This direct access is essential for effective cost monitoring and management. View your current usage. This means checking your actual consumption of SAP BTP services in real time. For instance, a company can see they are running 20 development instances but only need 10, identifying immediate waste. Monitoring this regularly is your first step toward reducing unnecessary expenses. See how costs are calculated in real time. This means the platform continuously tracks your resource usage and instantly updates your estimated charges. For example, if you scale up a cloud application, you can immediately see the cost impact on your dashboard. This visibility helps you make informed decisions and control your budget effectively. Effortlessly connect all your systems and data. Link SAP and non-SAP systems. This means you can seamlessly integrate your core SAP applications with external platforms like Salesforce or Microsoft. For instance, automatically sync customer data from SAP to your external CRM to maintain consistent records. This unified connectivity simplifies your IT landscape and enhances operational efficiency. Share data across your organization. This means different departments can securely access and use the same information in real time. For example, sales and logistics teams can instantly see updated inventory levels, ensuring accurate order fulfillment. This seamless data flow eliminates delays and keeps everyone aligned, boosting overall efficiency. Use pre-built integration content. This means SAP provides ready-made connectors and templates for common business processes. For example, you can instantly link your SAP SuccessFactors HR system to SAP S/4HANA for automatic employee data sync. This saves significant development time and ensures reliable, standardized connections between your applications. Reduce custom coding for connections. This means instead of writing complex integration code, you use pre-built services to link systems. For example, connect your SAP S/4HANA system to Salesforce using BTP's integration suite without manual programming. This accelerates projects and reduces errors, letting you focus on business logic rather than connection complexities. Integration in the cockpit. Find integration suite in services. This means locating the integration suite service tile within your SAP BTP Cockpit's services directory. For instance, when setting up a connection between your sales and inventory systems, you first navigate here to access the necessary tools. This is your starting point for enabling seamless data flow across applications. See available pre-built connectors. These are ready-made integrations that connect SAP BTP to external systems like Salesforce or Microsoft 365 without custom coding. For example, a company can use a pre-built connector to automatically sync customer data between SAP and their CRM. This saves significant development time and accelerates your integration projects. Set up connections with guided steps. This means the cockpit provides clear instructions to link systems, so you don't need deep technical skills. For example, to connect your SAP S/4HANA system for data exchange, you simply follow the on-screen prompts. This guided approach makes integration setup straightforward and reliable. Monitor all integrations in one place. This means you can view and manage all your connected systems and data flows from a single dashboard. For example, you can check the status of your sales data sync between SAP S/4HANA and Salesforce simultaneously. This centralized oversight simplifies troubleshooting and ensures your business processes run smoothly and reliably. Benefit 4. Respond quickly to change. Adapt to new business needs faster. This means SAP BTP provides ready-to-use tools so your company can build or adjust applications quickly without starting from scratch. For example, If you suddenly need a new customer check-in app for events, you can develop and deploy it in days, not months. This agility keeps you ahead in a dynamic market. Scale resources when demand changes. This means you can instantly increase or decrease computing power, storage, and services based on your current business needs. For example, an online retailer can automatically add server capacity during a holiday sale to handle the surge in shoppers. This dynamic flexibility ensures your applications are always performant and cost-effective, directly supporting your business agility. Update apps without major disruptions. This means you can improve your applications while they are running, so users barely notice changes. For instance, a retail company can add a new payment method to their online store during business hours without taking the site offline. This agility keeps your business continuously moving forward. Try new ideas with less risk. This means you can test innovations without major upfront costs or disrupting current systems. For instance, a retailer could pilot a new mobile shopping feature on BTP before full integration. This approach accelerates innovation while protecting your core operations. Benefit 5. Enable innovation. Experiment with new technologies safely. This means you can test out innovations like AI or IoT in isolated environments without disrupting your live business systems. For example, a retail company could trial a new AI chatbot in a sandbox to handle customer inquiries without affecting their actual website. This controlled approach minimizes risk while fostering creative solutions. Add AI and analytics to your apps. This means integrating smart data analysis and automated decision-making directly into your applications. For example, a retail app could use AI to recommend products based on a customer's past purchases and browsing history. This transforms standard applications into intelligent tools that actively support your business processes. Use advanced services without deep expertise. This means you can leverage powerful tools like machine learning or IoT without needing specialist skills. For example, add AI-based product recommendations to your e-commerce site using pre-built services. This accelerates innovation by letting you focus on business outcomes rather than technical complexities. Stay ahead of competitors. This means using SAP BTP to quickly adopt new technologies like AI and analytics, giving you an edge. For instance, a retailer could use AI on BTP to predict trends and stock popular items faster than rivals. This proactive approach ensures your business leads the market. Real business example: retail company used BTP to create mobile app in 4 weeks. This means the retail company built a custom smartphone application for their business using SAP Business Technology Platform in just 1 month. For example, they developed an app for store associates to check real-time inventory levels from any location. This rapid development showcases how BTP accelerates digital solutions for immediate business needs. Connected inventory, sales, and customer data means linking these 3 separate systems together so they share information instantly. For example, when a product sells out, the inventory system automatically updates, preventing overselling online. This creates a single, reliable source of truth for the entire business. reduced development costs by 60%. This means the retail company spent far less money building applications. For example, by using pre-built BTP services for customer loyalty programs instead of coding from scratch, they saved significantly. This cost efficiency directly enhances the company's financial performance and agility. Increased sales through better customer experience. This means using BTP to create smoother customer interactions that encourage more purchases. For example, a retail app could provide instant inventory checks and personalized recommendations, so customers find desired items faster and discover new products they love. This seamless service directly boosts transaction values and repeat business. How IT teams benefit from SAP Business Technology Platform. Our teams can now focus on business problems, not infrastructure. This means you spend time solving core business needs rather than managing servers or software updates. For example, instead of configuring databases, you could build an app that automatically processes customer loyalty rewards, accelerating delivery of new solutions. This strategic shift directly drives more business value. Work more efficiently with modern tools. This means using automated, cloud-based solutions that reduce manual tasks and speed up development. For example, IT can automate user access requests instead of handling them manually. This frees up your team to focus on more strategic work and innovation. Deliver solutions that users love. This means building applications that are intuitive, easy to use, and genuinely solve user problems. For example, an IT team can use BTP to create a mobile app for sales that provides real-time inventory checks, making the sales process faster and more reliable. This focus on user experience directly drives adoption and satisfaction. Grow your skills with cloud technologies. This means your IT team learns modern cloud-native development, automation, and integration methods. For example, developers can build extensions using SAP BTP's low-code tools, gaining practical experience. This continuous learning keeps your team competitive and ready for future technology shifts. Let's review the key benefits. Faster application development. This means you build apps more quickly using pre-built tools and services, instead of coding everything from scratch. For example, you can use a pre-built workflow service to automate an approval process instead of writing all the logic yourself. This approach significantly cuts down the time from an idea to a working solution. Lower infrastructure costs. This means you pay only for what you actually use, avoiding large upfront investments in physical servers and hardware. For example, instead of buying and maintaining your own servers to run an application, you can simply use SAP BTP's services on demand. This pay-as-you-go model directly reduces your capital expenditure. Easy integration capabilities. This means SAP BTP simplifies connecting different applications and data sources. For example, you can seamlessly link your on-premise SAP ERP system with a cloud-based analytics tool. This built-in connectivity saves significant time and effort, making your IT landscape more unified and efficient. Greater business agility. This means your company can quickly adapt to market changes and new opportunities using flexible cloud tools. For example, if customer demand suddenly spikes, you can scale up your e-commerce application within minutes instead of weeks. This responsiveness keeps you competitive and ready for whatever comes next. Continuous Innovation Enablement. This means SAP BTP provides the tools and platform for businesses to quickly build and adapt new solutions as market needs change. For example, a retailer could rapidly develop a mobile app for personalized promotions in response to competitor actions. This keeps your business at the forefront of your industry. Our recommended next steps with BTP. Remember these benefits when discussing BTP projects. This means highlighting how BTP accelerates development, integrates systems, and provides AI services. For example, a retail company uses BTP to quickly build a mobile app that connects online and in-store inventory. Keeping these advantages in mind will help justify and shape successful project proposals. Look for opportunities to apply BTP in your work. This means actively thinking about where BTP can solve problems or add value in your daily tasks. For example, if you need to automate manual data entry between systems, you could use BTP's integration services. Start small with one process to see immediate benefits. Practice navigating the BTP cockpit. This means logging in and exploring the interface to find services, check subscriptions, and monitor resources. For example, a developer might locate the SAP HANA Cloud service to check its status. Becoming comfortable with the cockpit is essential for efficiently managing your cloud applications and services. You are now ready to explore BTP services. This means you can start using the platform's tools to build and enhance applications. For example, try adding user authentication to an app with the SAP Identity Authentication service. Begin experimenting today to bring your ideas to life.